YouTube. How's it going? How's it going, guys? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another episode, guys. Today, guys, is a much lighter episode, right? Today we're going to go over a few plugins that I've been using as of late, right? To design all the designs that you guys see here, everything that you guys come across here. So yeah, reach out to me if you need websites, landing pages, mobile apps, web apps, and UX audits. My name is Carlos Pesan. For those of you that's the first time coming on to my channel, and I am your UX UI guy. So like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Let's go into this, right, guys? So I start off with my plugins. Recently, I finished a project. To be much more specific, it was a app screenshot, you know. It was an app screenshot. You know those screenshots that you find on Apple stores. Those ones, yeah, those are the ones that I was designing. So I was using, this is the template specifically that I use just to get the frame, right? So I got the frame here, and then you can either use your Figma file or you can import, right? You just select whichever one you want, and then you can import. There's many colors. I specifically use the black one just to go with the theme of the show, of the phone, I mean. And let me just import it from this device. Let me go find something else here. And then you select your device, and you select here on export mockup original. Yep, that's fine. Placing document, exporting, placing into Figma, and then you get something like this, right? Cool. This is plugin number 1. Let's go to plugin number 2. Second favorite. What does it do? It's a mockup as well, right? What do you do here? You don't have to buy the premium one up in front. You can come here to the latest free mockups. You get them. You get your different ones. You can see your bottles, you see your watches, you see your posters, you see your products, you see your banners for your cups, everything else. The more having to do with your brand IDV, right? So you go over that. You got here your cosmetics, your shirts, phones, business cards, envelopes, tote bags, cups, hoodies, everything else in between, guys. You know, tote bags again. Those are package mockups, you know. Billboards, hoodies again, and then you have your phones for your mobile apps, web apps, whichever one you want. Your booklets, you know, for your documents, envelopes again. What is this? Skincare, routines, phones again. They have a lot of things that are for, initially for free. You know, that gives you, like, you don't need to jump in the deep end from the get go. You can just straight away, you can just, you know, test the waters per se, right? Plugin number 3, Unsplash. Unsplash. What do we do on Unsplash? Let's say I want abstract images. Unsplash is an image searcher. I usually get this one when I want to get images. So you just select and you click. Again, you don't need to get the premium one up at front, right? But what do you do before that? You just get this one, and you just get this one, and you actually get to test it out first, and then if you like it, you can get the premium account. See, you just select an image, it loads, and then it pops up here again, right? So make sure you don't select anything, so that when you click, it gives you another image. Because if you, let me just copy paste this so that you can see, if you select this and then you try on another image, since you have that selected, it's going to change images instead of giving you another image, right? Cool. Right click plugins, another one. Huge icons. I'm sure you guys are tired. Like, oh, you always talk about huge icons. For me, it's one of the best. I like it because of the design style, So you feel free to come here and test it out. Clock. You have your clock here. You have your time. You have your eyes. There's a lot of variations that you can do there. Right click, another one. Remove background. So how do you do that? Let's just get a remove background. Okay, let's just check a few other ones that I've used recently. Another one that I've used recently are image to Figma. It's quite good as well, right? HTML to design, but I'm going to do a very in-depth video like about each and every single one of these. And then again, guys, please reach out to me on my Instagram, my LinkedIn, TikTok as well. I'm there, besides YouTube, of course. So yeah, guys, so that was just a very short video because those basically the ones that I've just shown you guys are the ones that I use the most, right? That's why they're like here, because these are the ones that I use the most. Remove BG is literally if you have a background. Let me just try to get something here. Just try to get something here. Cool, let me get this. You see, and then you right click, plugins, remove BG run. Although Figma already has this thing on their system that is AI running nowadays that you can remove it. You see it even has a remove background, right? But it's just one of those things. I was already used to it, trying out all these other new tools. And yeah, remember guys, don't be slave to tools. As long as you know one, you know how to meander your way around another one, right? So you can like as many tools as you want. You don't have to be a slave to one tool, So get a tool, like that, see that what you guys like. If I press Control or Command Z, this is what it does. You see? Finish it, it removes everything. So yeah. Guys, thank you so much for watching today's episode. Reach out to me if you need websites, landing pages, mobile apps, web apps, and UX audits. Reach out to me on Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, besides YouTube as well. It's literally by Karush Pasan. Karush Pasan on LinkedIn, Karush Pasan underscore UX for both TikTok and Instagram. And like, share, subscribe, comment down below. I'll see you in the next episode.